I'd like you to hear from the leader of the Autobots.
Proceed.
Dark of the Moon, what can I say? I was awesome. Yeah, there was some other cool stuff too, but mostly just me. Anyways, what are my thoughts? Well, I guess now that it's over, I can be even more awesome than I was before. But as you saw for yourselves, I kicked some serious butt. Let's see, I killed Shockwave, I killed Megatron, I killed that piece of crap Sentinel Prime for betraying us Autobots, and I killed most of the Decepticons with my bare hands, or blades, or axes, or really big freaking guns, whatever I could get my robotic hands on. So, sad to see Ironhide go, but, you know, stuff happens. Wheeljack too. You know, that's what happens. As far as I can tell, though, this movie was seriously awesome. Best parts of the movie? The parts I was in, of course. The 3D, wow, they really made me look good. Crystal clear, nice and bright. You know, if you stare at the screen for 3 hours, you might get a headache, you know. Don't sit too close, kids. Still, other than that, the movie was awesome. As far as, my biggest complaints, well, there was a lot of scenes I wasn't in, and those tend to be the suckiest parts of the film. A lot of human crap. It's like, good scene, human crap. Good scene, human crap. And it goes on like this throughout the entire movie. And Laserbeak talks. So Ravage can't talk. And Bumblebee can't talk. But Laserbeak can talk. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. Let's see, what else? What was all the accents going on? We got an Australian guy, we got some kind of French foreign foo-foo guy. Why can't we all just speak standard stuff? I mean, come on. Also, they said there was 9 Autobots that were going to be exiled.
And if you think deporting 9 Autobots is gonna solve a damn thing.
But the jet, the private jet, it's obviously got Autobot symbols all over it, and yet it never turns into an Autobot. What's up with that? They just give it a tattoo? I mean, come on. As far as plot goes, well, nothing original. Seems to me like they just ripped off Ultimate Doom. They ripped off some old Transformers cartoon stories. And as far as Sam goes, well, you know, you gotta throw a human in there. Coolest lines? I guess coolest lines in the movie were probably me saying, "Today we take the battle to them."
For today, in the name of freedom, we take the battle to them. And we will kill them all. And who would you be without me, Prime? Time to find out.
That part was cool. And basically, anything I said was cool. I mean, seriously, if I don't get an Oscar, I mean, you saw my performance. I was seriously awesome. Anyways, no, after the credits scene, except for some stupid scene with the bad actor in a wheelchair kissing some old ugly lady, but other than that, sadly, it was much better than Green Lantern. And if Captain America does better than me, it's only because he ripped off my colors, okay? So fine. Harry Potter, we'll see. Till all are one. And right now, we're number one.